You may be really good at saying no to alcohol, but are you good at saying yes to water? Willpower is a muscle. It will give out. So when you're finally ready to take care of yourself, how do you stay clean and away from a substance from within the same exact environment that encourages you to use it? You don't. The most powerful influence in your world is your environment. This environment. You take any healthy person and put them in an unnatural environment with these three things, and they will not just survive, they will thrive through it. You gotta have the right mindset. You gotta be focusing on the thoughts and the feelings that actually drive you forward. How you feel influences your thoughts, and your thoughts influences your actions. So if you continue thinking shitty thoughts in shitty situations, you're gonna get shitty results. Give a healthy person actual skills that they could use, like the pain of their past, and they will use that information to drive themselves out of those circumstances. The last thing is a blueprint. What's the point of having the right mindset and all the skills that you need from the pain of the past, but you have no idea where to put that information? You have to know what you're working towards. Your physical environment can influence you. It could be peer pressure, it could be friends, it could be family, it could be the news. But if all of your energy is going towards developing a new perspective of not just your environment, but you as a person, then none of your energy is finding reasons why it's impossible to get out of the place that influences you to use. If you could choose the substance, you're equally capable of choosing the solution. What you don't change, you choose. I've supported thousands of people, and each one of them said that they get bored when they're not under the influence. Substances don't make things entertaining. You do. Nothing is boring. You are. If you constantly feel lonely and using a substance helps you disconnect from the fact that there's nobody around you that you actually enjoy, that's because you don't even enjoy your own company. You are stuck with you for the rest of your life. And if all of your energy is focusing on the things you don't like, the feelings you don't prefer, and the direction you don't want to go in, then you're hanging around someone that you don't even like and doesn't even want to see you move forward. You are your best friend. Your machine is your greatest resource. Your body knows more about you than you will ever know about it. And it is the reason you're still here. The point is not to fix what you believe is holding you back. The solution is giving all of your attention to what's actually working where you are as you are. If you're constantly looking back and only focusing on the problems, then you are spending no time focusing on the solution. You are the answer. Your way is the only way. You're doing better than you think.